Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at the Bootup logo screen on the Samsung Galaxy S4. So I'm going to press on the power button on the side, and this will power up the device. So this is what you see when you first turn on the device. Now, if your phone is with a network provider, then you will see your network provider logo next. And after that, there will be a Samsung logo. And now it is flashing with this animated logo. So just give it a few seconds. It's quite a slow device. Now at this point, I can feel the phone vibrate a little bit, and you will be presented with a lock screen right here. So I'm going to swipe it, and this will take me to my home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.